Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a DIY hand-painted wine glass. For this project I'm using a wine glass that I got from the DollarTree, acrylic paint, paint brushes, and a vector image that I got from the internet that I'm going to be using as a template. Now you can totally do this project free-handed, but I wanted to use a template to show those of us who might need a little help that they too can do a project just like this. So I'm taking the template that I cut out of this vector image, and I'm going to do a small cut in the center of her head wrap, so that way it will bend easily once it's placed inside of the wine glass. For this project, I'll be using Deco Art glass paint. I discovered while painting this glass that the paint is not as opaque as I would like it to be, but on the instructions of the paint, it does suggest that you put 1 to 2 coats. I put probably around 3 coats of the paint because I wanted to not be transparent or see-through through the back of the glass. While I'm waiting for the brown paint to dry, I decided to start on the turban. I decided to make the base of the turban one color, and then I'm going to use different paint colors to kind of design a pattern of the turban. And I'm going to be using the template as an example for the pattern. So this next step that you see me doing here is not necessary for this wine glass. You can just stick to the image of the woman with the head wrap. But this is just me being extra. Since I was painting, I might as well go ahead and paint the stem. So I decided to paint the stem in the same design and color pattern of the head wrap. So here it is. Here is my DIY hand-painted African head wrap wine glass. So you guys can let me know what you think. Please feel free to leave a comment below. Also, if you decide to use these type of paints, or even if you don't, please be aware about the directions that are on the paint. For this particular paint type, you have to let the glass cure for 4 days before you bake it. And you have to put it in a cold stove first and let the glass heat up along with the stove and let it cool down. If you don't, you'll take a risk of your glass shattering. So please be aware and follow the directions depending on the paint type that you use. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please feel free to leave me a comment, share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next week.